Supply Chain Connect is a new service from FBA that improves the shipping process for sellers who work with manufacturers, freight forwarders, wholesalers, or similar parties to ship inventory directly to Amazon. We've heard from FBA sellers that coordinating shipment details, such as box content and FBA item and shipment labels, requires multiple back-and-forth communication with their suppliers. Now, you can use Supply Chain Connect to streamline and simplify the process to help get your products to Amazon and your customers faster. The benefits of Supply Chain Connect include a central supplier portal where selected suppliers can process your FBA shipments, faster shipments to Amazon. Suppliers can enter box content information and immediately download FBA shipment and item labels, reducing back-and-forth communication and lead time. Better performance. Suppliers have the tools they need to fulfill shipments with greater accuracy and gain a better understanding of the Amazon shipping processes. Now let's see how it works. With Supply Chain Connect, you can now send an invitation to the suppliers you want to participate. Once suppliers receive an invitation, they can sign in to the portal. Using Supply Chain Connect is easy. You create and confirm a shipment on Seller Central with your usual process. Once the shipment is finalized, go to the Prepare Shipment tab and select the carrier option. Click the Share Shipment button, then select the supplier that will be processing this shipment. You'll see a confirmation message in Seller Central. The selected supplier receives an automated email alert, and the remaining steps for this shipment are passed on to them. Suppliers can then sign into the Supply Chain Connect portal to access their pending FBA shipments. Here, they can see all the important information about a shipment, including the destination fulfillment center, the shipment method, the pick list, the FBA item labels, the ASIN inventory and quantity list, and tips for FBA shipment processing. To complete the shipment, the supplier simply follows the steps provided on the Supply Chain Connect. They enter the box content information. The supplier can then verify successful processing of the box content information and download FBA shipping labels including box, pallet, and item labels. For more information, see the videos on box content information and labeling. Once the supplier has generated their labels, you can check the status of a shipment in Seller Central. You'll see that the pack list has been processed and the shipment is ready to ship. It's important to remember that Amazon shipping guidelines, including box size, weight limits, and item prep, apply using Supply Chain Connect. You are ultimately responsible for ensuring that suppliers follow Amazon guidelines when shipping to Amazon so that inventory arrives as expected. Start using Supply Chain Connect today and see how it can help get your products to Amazon and your customers faster. And that's good for everyone's business.